Imagine a stone processing factory owner asks us to select the right transformer for a new workshop. The workshop will have 4 production lines. And each production line is powered by one 50 kilowatt induction motor. During our site inspection, we found that each motor has a power factor of 0.8. Since all 4 production lines are expected to operate at the same time, the first step is to calculate the total active power. Each motor is rated at 50 kilowatts. So, 4 multiplied by 50 equals 200 kilowatts. Therefore, the total active power of the workshop is 200 kilowatts. To calculate the transformer's apparent power, we'll use the formula shown on the screen. The apparent power is equal to the square root of the active power squared, plus the reactive power squared. We already know the total active power. It's simply the combined power of the 4 50 kilowatt motors, which gives us 200 kilowatts. What we don't know yet is the reactive power. So before we can calculate the transformer's apparent power, let's find the reactive power first. Now let's calculate the reactive power. To do that, we simply multiply the active power by the tangent of the inverse cosine of the power factor. Let's work through the calculation together using the basic calculator on a laptop. To get the value inside the parentheses, simply follow the steps I've numbered from 1 to 7. You'll reach the correct answer easily. After completing all 7 steps, we get a value of 0.75. Now, we'll substitute this value into the formula. As you can see, the reactive power comes out to 150 kVA reactive. Now, we'll substitute the value of 150 into the original formula. The calculation gives us an apparent power of 250 kVA. However, we don't select a transformer with exactly the calculated rating. Instead, we choose the next standard transformer size above the calculated value. In my region, the next standard size is 315 kVA. Depending on where you live, the standard rating might be 300, 350, or it may also be 315 kVA. The important point is to select the next available standard transformer rating above the calculated apparent power. If you'd like to learn how to calculate the cable size for this factory, be sure to watch my video on cable sizing for unbalanced loads.